Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word weed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Weed is a type of grass that grows in our backyard and needs to be trimmed regularly. Weed refers to a type of grass or plant that typically grows in lawns or gardens and needs to be managed through trimming or weeding. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.